Ever attempted to place a penny in a wishing well and wished for the right person to appear? Regardless of how difficult things may be for you or him, that one man who is unlike any other and will stick with you for the rest of your life. Anyone could have done this once in their lifetime. But for now, our star will be the male INFJ. I'm going to demonstrate why men who identify as INFJs find them so alluring and what they do to win over women. Number 10, a hero's attitude. If you're looking for your neighborhood Superman, he might be hiding within an INFJ. Compassion is simple to offer for these kinds of men because it is ingrained in the INFJ's DNA. They naturally care about other people and genuinely care about the individuals in their immediate vicinity. They are always the first to provide assistance or save the day. Not that they seek praise for being heroes or rescuers. However, they find it upsetting that caring and being helpful are no longer inborn human traits. These are the kind of individuals that strive to make others feel at ease. They are the first to recognize when someone is in trouble, and the ladies around them will follow suit. Women should fawn and praise their deeds, making them appear more lovely than they actually are. Number 9, unpredictability. INFJ males are more beautiful than other types because of this. They include many paradoxes and are unpredictable. People may believe they know INFJs because of this. However, there are always parts of them that they conceal from the public, and they make no effort. But they give off a genuine air of mystery, like a captivating true crime episode that no one could put down, like a new species that needs to be investigated and understood. The INFJ male is difficult to read or forecast what they will do next. They will constantly surprise you. They will always be unpredictable, and they will never run out of it. Women surrounding INFJ men will constantly be perplexed by their true natures. Also, mystery is always appealing. Number 8, hard to get to. What person couldn't have always seemed 10 times more seductive when engaging in seduction? Male INFJs are distant and reticent, are constantly interested in their relations. There are undoubtedly many ladies in their lives who are interested in this. Women might interpret the INFJ men's inaccessibility as the INFJ men's inability to deceive, and they would find it alluring. Everyone desires exclusivity, especially when it comes to people and possessions. Male INFJs are unquestionably an example of this. Even if they don't attempt, their careful selection of those they allow in their lives would win them many admiration. INFJs are extremely difficult to reach, or are you just reluctant to open up to others? Number 7, depth and transparency. People will notice an INFJ's depth and openness when they speak with and spend time with them. Their acceptance of others' hardships and lack of judgment could leave some individuals in awe. How they could never give up hope despite the biases of society. INFJ males would seem to be fascinating to women who are bored of shallow encounters and fleeting bonds if they possess these characteristics. To their opposite sex, INFJ guys would seem to be a breath of fresh air, who consistently draw the wrong crowd, and others who have given up on finding the ideal companion. They could be able to have the more fulfilling relationship they've been hoping for if they date INFJ males. Number 6, honesty. These males are incredibly alluring because they can't lie. For INFJ guys, honesty and openness are the most important qualities in any relationship. Sincerity is always viewed as a show of respect by them. Therefore, they will uphold their truth as far as they can. They constantly strive to be the person they consistently claim to adore because they dislike being hypocrites. And the way they speak and use their words makes everything so much clearer. They would be simple and to the point, which women will find completely fascinating. Sometimes it may hurt or surprise you, but they also have the ability to change it right away. Who wouldn't desire a trustworthy partner? If you're having fun with the video, please like it and subscribe so you won't miss anything. Number 5, unconventional. INFJs may seem reserved and private, but but it does not reflect their way of thinking. They don't hold stereotypes to be true. They have a unique way of thinking, are highly kind, and are very open-minded. They tell themselves never to participate in anything that is average, even though they may not challenge such norms. Or join a group of people. They disbelieve in the conventional roles that males should play. They adhere to their own set of morals and values. This is perhaps what truly distinguishes them as an INFJ. Women that share the INFJ male's outlook on life are undoubtedly drawn to Dogma's way of thinking. Number 4, the unexpectedness factor. The typical INFJ guy is hot and chilly in temperament. Male INFJs are simply too aware of their surroundings, that their surroundings have an impact on their moods. Usually, people have to work through their feelings. When women see these mood swings in these males, as they try to understand what influences them, they could become more attractive. Women find it fascinating when they don't know what to expect from an INFJ. They could initially come off as friendly before becoming distant, or too fervent, then too focused, followed by something else. Would you find a push-pull or hot-cold type of person alluring or off-putting? Number 3, nature of nurturing. The INFJ would know how to make them grin even if the lady did not do anything to provoke a smile. They are extremely sensitive and wait till they know a girl well enough before attempting to get closer, or to develop a stronger relationship with them. They are nurturing by nature, therefore it is easy for them to adapt and care for a lady the manner they desire. Someone's nurturing and kind character makes them more alluring than they really are. And INFJ men tend to be nurturing. They always take care of their people, ensuring their welfare. Both naturally affectionate and toward their partners. They exert effort to promote their development and help them realize their goals. They can end up becoming their partner's biggest fans. INFJs are characterized by their nurturing nature, which is undoubtedly attractive. Number 2, true connection is coming. They never engage in it briefly. They always stay for a considerable amount of time. They constantly consider the big picture and seek out sincere relationships. Male INFJs make excellent partners. They might even be referred to as someone's soulmate. They genuinely make an effort to engage people on a deeper level. Once they have someone in their sights, they make sure to give them everything they have, ensuring their devotion and allegiance. INFJ males may be shy, but they are honest about their feelings for their partners. They are the kind of lovers who go all in or nothing at all. And any woman finds these things to be really enticing. If you are currently dating an INFJ man, then your relationship is undoubtedly unique. Number 1, a stare. When INFJs do their stare, this is a crazy one. Occasionally, when held for too long, it may come off as excessively sexual for women because it would feel like they had their complete attention on that person. It has to do with how intently they are staring at that person. That conveys incredible seduction. Additionally, it's a little bit taunting for the other sex. That INFJ guys occasionally questioned why some women wouldn't leave them alone. INFJs, please cease your hot stare. Have you ever used this gorgeous gaze? Or being overly sexual? Male INFJs are a unique breed since they are so full of paradoxes. It increases their allure and mystique to girls, because they are challenging to understand. And most individuals enjoy the unpredictable. However, INFJ males are more than just puzzles for the other sex to solve. INFJs are extremely uncommon, and once they set their minds to anything, they are unstoppable, or nothing can or will stop them after they've spoken something, till they achieve their goals. Despite being persistent, they will never make you feel annoyed, because they are also aware of their limits. And are aware of the boundaries they should not cross. They'll continue to astound you with their special charms and maybe even prompt girls to ask for more. Or delve farther. They will therefore be more drawn to them. This isn't even an INFJ man technique. Would you rather have an honest partner who would probably point out all your faults That's just them being themselves. And what they dislike, or someone who is adept at keeping things hidden, and always find it simple to make concessions. That would be an INFJ in either case. How about INFJ? What more do you want to say? Please share with us in the comments area below. Do you have any ideas for topics? You may count on us to manufacture them for you. Remember to like. Please forward this information to your loved ones. And follow us on YouTube. Thanks for watching.